Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Welcome back to part 2 of this under $30 lookbook for this amazing wig company that I have for you called Heraremy. What I really wanted to showcase with this lookbook, with these 3 different looks, is wearing the exact same outfit, makeup, and everything. So you can literally see how transformative a wig can be. So as I always call a wig my greatest accessory, because it is. I'm in love with wig life. If you hadn't seen the brown wig that I did, I'll of course leave the link down below for that for you. It says on all the wigs that the hairs are protein infused, because they really, I mean, honestly, it really feels great up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modify this wig. So something I absolutely love about wigs in general, and including these silver ones, but honestly any wig, is that when it has multi-dimensional colors, so where every strand is a different color. I'm not sure if you can see exactly, but there are black hairs and there are different tones of silver hairs in this wig. So it really has, you know, that quote-unquote granny look, because it's very multi-dimensional. Therefore, I feel it looks extremely natural. This one is 22 inches, and as you can see right here, and her name is Chyna. I always love wigs that have kind of these glamorous, romantic waves. It is a 13x4 parting right here in the front. So she has 2 combs right here on the side, and then she does have the 1 comb in the back with the fasteners. She does have a, oh, I did not actually cut this bottom lace off the bottom. I did not do that yet, but that's really nice, so you can put it up in a pony, no problem. She also has, as you can see from that bottom, she has a light to medium lace right here. She has a medium cap, so she would be large head friendly. Some baby hairs right here in the front. So she is like fully equipped with the baby hairs. All right, so I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for the deal of the century for that. I put my wigs on front to back, so I'm gonna back it up a little bit. Now I haven't even tried her on yet, so I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So this is 22 inches. So this is definitely at mid-chest. I'm 5'7". And also, you know, any wig's going to tangle in some regard. And of course, the shorter they become, the less tangly they could possibly become. Okay, so she's down the middle. Let's take a little look at this. I cannot wait to wear her out. All right, so let's play with the parting. Since she is a 13x4, let's put her on the part that I always, my usual parting, which is on the left eyebrow. See what kind of look she gives. Oh my gosh, I love this. Ooh, love it. Oh my gosh. And also, like, she isn't too much hair, and with the texture, she feels like very light. Like, I don't feel like this wig is heavy at all. She's silky, but she isn't like a super silky. She has a little bit of a texture to it, kind of like really thick hair. So that's really great. Okay, so let's move her to the other side and see what we got going on here. I'm gonna guess that it's gonna be just as lovely. Just as lovely. Do anything except for cut the lace off, so by all means, mess with the hairline more, powder your parting once you choose which side you want it to go on, but oh my gosh, I'm in love with this wig. Actually, she is just a tad over 30. She's $36, but honestly, she is worth it. Thank you everyone for stopping by and watching the second lookbook of this. Of course, the next lookbook is gonna be that blue wig, so I'm so excited to try that one on. And let me know what you all think about it, and let me know if you have any wigs from this company. I would love to know, and then also see you in these wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram so you can share with me your photos and let me know what you're up to. And let's all keep the empowerment up, and honestly, let's empower everyone to be the best that we can be every single day. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a beautiful granny style colored wig, wear it. Wear it and love it and be proud. And I want to thank you all, and we will see you soon. Bye.